Happy holidays, and I hope this year was off to a great start for you all. In this video, we will be reviewing the different types of fractions we've done in our past couple of lessons. Firstly, this is a proper fraction with the numerator that is less than the denominator. This is an improper fraction that has a larger number for its numerator than its denominator. Lastly, our mixed number has a whole number and a proper fraction by its side. Hopefully that refreshed you on what I went over about fractions because we will be doing some converting. So what do you mean by converting? Well, it means that we will have to turn one type of fraction into a different type of fraction that is equal to each other. I will also give you tips on how to know if your fraction is equal to another fraction. Starting with our warm-up, we have 1/5/8 as our mixed number. We know that 1 is a whole and a whole is the same as having the same number for its numerator and denominator, which in this case would be 8/8. Since 8/8 is 1, or think of it as 8 divided by 8, we will write our 8/8 after the equal sign and add an addition sign. So we will just keep the second fraction the same. We never change it because now we are just adding these fractions together. 8/8 plus 5/8 is not hard because we know we just have to add the numerators. Don't forget, we must have the same denominator when we are adding or subtracting fractions. So 5 plus 8 is 13. Therefore, we just converted a mixed number into an improper fraction. But do we know if they are actually equal to each other? Well, we can find out. Take the whole number and multiply the denominator, for which you will get 1 times 8, which is 8. Then you add the numerator on top, which is 8 plus 5 equals 13, and keep the denominator the same, so your improper fraction would then be 13/8. Exactly the same as what we got at the beginning. But how can we convert an improper fraction into a mixed number? We first look at 13/8 and ask ourselves, how many times can 8 go into 13? The answer is 1. So you would put the 1 as the whole number, and for your new proper fraction, you would solve it by subtracting 8 from the 13, which leaves you with 5 as the numerator. And still keep the denominator as 8 because this is still a fraction and not a whole number. Ta-da! You have just went from an improper fraction to a mixed number. I hope I made it clear, and if not, please comment on what I should cover for my next video.